Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We're gonna try one more deer tractor before deer season. We got about probably 2 weeks. Maybe not this next Saturday, the Saturday after, I think's when it opens here. Hadn't shot my crossbow yet, but we're probably going to this week. Alright, this is a new one on me. It may not be on y'all. It's Buck Bourbon 110 proof deer tractor. Pack and a punch. Or pack and a pouch. Let me read. Show it to you. Curved protein minimum of 14%, curved fat 5%, fiber 6%, calcium 0.1%. Salt, it's got a bunch in it. Okay. It's got everything they need to fight off COVID too. It's got a bunch of zinc in it. I know y'all have all seen that where the deer got COVID now, right? We're gonna do this. I'm gonna have another video on this. Had to go buy a new one. I couldn't find my old one. Clean up some shooting lanes out. Get ready. Do what we do. I'm gonna put a camera over this. I'm gonna put it the same spot I've been putting everything. Put a camera down here. See if we can't get some animals. Something more than we did in the last video. Hope something more than Mr. Raccoon ate this. But we'll find out. I'll bring you down there and show you what it looks like when I put it on the ground. I'm kind of interested. Something different. Got it at Tractor Supply. I don't know if you can get anywhere else, but that's where I got it. Hope it works. Something different. Something new. Nobody will be cussing me for buying the knockoffs from Walmart. I'm getting it from Tractor Supply. That's got to be good, right? That, we got Tractor Supply in Dangerfield now. Alright, I'm finna go down there. Hey y'all, this stuff smells like bourbon. A little bit. Not like a good bourbon, but a little bit. Y'all go check their website out. It's buckbourbon.com, www.buckbourbon.com. I seen they got a couple of YouTube videos out on the product. They might give you a better review. Go check them out. Well, we're gonna chop a little bit of weeds. I'll bring y'all along with that on time lapse. Let's see y'all here in a little bit. We can Alright, we got down here and got a little bit chopped out. I'm gonna chop a little bit more out on the way out. I'm hoping a bit here and there. Need some tractor tires. Anybody want to buy some tractor tires? I put a PayPal link back in there. I quit doing that, but anybody wants to buy any, let me know. I'll put it up where y'all can. We can dump this out. This day is Tuesday. You'll probably see this video. You may see it tonight. I don't know. It's not gonna be much editing to it. Probably see it tonight. I'll probably come back here and check it again a couple of times, but come actually check it on next Tuesday and put another video out on it. Let y'all know what I think about it. I mean, the name sold it to me. I mean, 110 proof deer tracking. Sounds good to me. We couldn't put it out. I freshened up my salt lick back there. I hadn't put any on it since earlier in the spring. I freshened it up. I didn't record that, but they work a pretty good hole, and all that is just stock salt. You can go buy it anywhere for a little bit of nothing. See how it works. See if that helps the deer start coming back through here. I know this time of year they generally don't need salt, but I want to keep that active. I'm gonna keep putting salt there all year, every year. If y'all made it this far in this cringy little short video, like, share,